How this is how we jive for mass communication. Yeah, I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if you have a problem with the volume of your iPhone 12. This is iPhone 12 base model, green version. Could be iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, Pro Max, whatever you have. Process could be identical, similar. The first thing you have to check this button. You see this is a mute button. When this one is in orange, you see this is orange part back side of your phone. That means the phone is mute. Not gonna listen anything properly. So I put unmute. As you see, the phone silent mode is off. So if you are not listening, try a couple of times over here and there. It may fix your problem. Or it is mute, you have to put in normal mode. After that, what can you do? You can go to your volume setting. Here we go. You see sound and haptic feedback. Go to that one. Vibration on ringing. These are the vibration option. Check the sound. And when you move, you will get some response. You see, it's giving me response. Here and there, put silent totally, put at the middle. It may fix you. So check all of them are fine. If it's not working, you can do again, go to the setting. You have to shut down your phone. In the past, you had this button for shut down your phone holding long time, but now it's in another place. Now this one is in general. In your setting option, then you go to general. In general, the last option, shut down or restart. I shut down. If you shut down, then the restart. Shut down the phone. Wait few seconds. I hit the power button. Hold for a few seconds. So the phone is starting now. Normally, when you restart or shut down your phone and start again, it will fix the problem. Normally this happens. Let's see. So in this case, the problem would be fixed. After doing all these things, if they don't work, we go to the next setup. Next setup, we have to see if any Bluetooth device is connected with my phone or not. Here we go. I press and hold the Bluetooth option. Here we go. I have two Bluetooth devices. Sometimes happen your earpods or other Bluetooth device is connected with your phone, and all the sound is going to that. Here you see my earpod is there. So in that case, you will not listen anything. So what you do, you disconnect them or off the Bluetooth. I off the Bluetooth. I've heard some vibration. My watch disconnected. So after that, most of the time the problem would be fixed. So these are some of the easy fixing of iPhone 12 sound option. After doing all this trick, if it's not working, then you have serious issue. Maybe your speaker is dead. Okay, in this case, you better take to Apple Store and fix that. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.